Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to fix billing problem in iPhone Apple Store. So if you're facing a billing problem on the iPhone Apple Store, follow these simple steps to fix it. So I'm going to walk you through different methods that which you can use to fix the problem with billing on iPhone Apple Store. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do to fix this problem is to check for pending payment. So check if you have any pending payment on your Apple Store. So to do that, open up your settings on your iPhone, then tap your Apple ID, which is your name, then click on media and purchase. Then under that, click on view account. Once you do that, then tap on purchase history and check if there are any unpaid transaction. Once you check, and if any payment failed, update your payment method and retry. Then the other method is to update or change payment method. So to change or update your payment method, you have to go to the settings, then click on your name, which is the Apple ID, then click on payment and shipping, then tap your current payment method, which is credit card or debit card or PayPal or other card. Then select the payment method to enter a new one. Then if needed, remove the old method by tapping edit and delete. Then make sure the new payment method has a sufficient fund. Then after that, verify the billing address. So go to the settings, then tap your name, then payments and shipping. Then after that, check if the billing address match the one linked to your payment method. Then if correct, update it. If incorrect, update it and save changes. And that's how you can simply fix the problem with billing in iPhone Apple Store. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.